Fermin Rodriguez. This is Memory Builders. It's been a while since I did the first video regarding the boat, and today I'm working on the boat. I'm gonna show you. Was trying to change the spark plugs, and one of them was so rusted that I had to use an extractor to get it out. I'm gonna show it to you. So today, after many weeks, hopefully I'm gonna change the spark plugs, change the distributor cap. I'm gonna try one more time to put the starter because it's very uncomfortable. I'm gonna show you guys if I feel uncomfortable how to get all the way down here. So I'm changing this distributor cap right here, spark plug right here. So anyway, that's the project for today, and try to see if we can at least move the motor, put the battery, the starter, and see if we can start. So let's get to work, and I'll show you as I go. One of the problems that I have too, let me show you here the rusted spark plug so you can see it. That was a project. Here we go. I took it to the guy in the auto part place, and he said, if you don't want to tell me, I don't want to believe it. Right there, that's the extractor. So what I did, because I didn't record it, was I put PB Blaster, I have it around here, several times, and then pressing the spark plug and I got it out. But anyway, let me work, and I'll show you the progress as I go. Alright, first spark plug set on. I put the numbers on so I know which order did they go. So I'll put them back. At the time of this video, I ordered the new spark plugs, but I haven't received them yet. So what I'm doing, I just put in the old ones for now, and once I get the new ones, then I'll switch them. So very basic. Whoever changed spark plugs before, same concept. Take out the old ones, put the new ones, and yeah. Alright, so I took out the distributor cap. So it looked like a little burn inside. I'm not a mechanic, but I know that this is for the spark plug. Here I have the brand new. Right here I have the brand new cap. So that's what I'm changing next. All right, new full cap, and you don't notice because the cables are old. I ordered them, hadn't come in yet, but this is the old one. My brother suggested, it's good to change it because, corrosion, and as you can see here, right, and this has corrosion in the inside, so we didn't want to take a chance. So the next thing I'm gonna try to accomplish today is, maybe you can't see it good, but right there is where the starter goes. This is the old starter. I'm gonna try to make space. I have a big mess in the boat. Try to make space and see if I can lay down and finally put the starter on. And if that happens, then I can put new battery and try to start, at least, see if at least it moves. Alright? Sorry for the terms, I'm not a mechanic. So we took a break today of fixing the boat because one of the screws from the starter was broken, and I had to regroup everything. And we came to a store just to take ideas. And look what my baby like. Say hello, baby. Baby. So we're going to be looking at both, so stay tuned. It's going to shop. Yep. We're in Bass Pro here in Central Florida, Orlando. Came to see some stuff for the boat, and then my wife loved some other boats. Right here. All right, from Bass Pro to West Marine. Gonna check out what's there. We're just window shopping for the boat. Hello. Alrighty, my people, here we're going to round 3. Try twice to get out that little screw that broke inside of the bolt for the starter on the Bayliner that we're rebuilding. I tried to get somebody else to do it for me, and thinking maybe I'd pay a couple of bucks for labor. And one person told me no, I don't do it. Then a second person told me it could be between $300 to $3,000 depending on the problem that we find. So in other words, give me a blank check. So I said no, no problem. So I found these tools. I'm gonna show you right now, and I'm gonna try to use them, and hopefully I can get this result. I'm gonna show you right now. I had this here on Amazon. It probably like $20. This is a camera. So here it's a little base, right? I'll put my phone here. I'll connect it to the Wi-Fi to an app, and with this camera I'll be able to look inside where the bolt is at. Right, this is a little uncomfortable. And then I got my drill here to drill the hole. And then I bought this piece here. This is like an extension. It's like a 90-degree extension for my drill. So we're able to probably a little more comfortable. If you see it at the beginning of the video, see how uncomfortable it is to get this bolt. So hopefully with the help of this camera and this 90-degree angle on my drill, hopefully I can have this done. So stay tuned. I also got this drill here. It's a 4mm. It's titanium. I told the guy when I went to Lowe's, I said I want something really strong. I want to play around with this. So this is a titanium drill bit. So this should do the trick. Then I have my extractor right here. So hopefully I drill that. Put my extractor hammer a little bit inside, and that should come out. So stay tuned. Here with Uncle Joey, he's making space so we can work. But everything was rotten right here. Look at this. Jesus Christ. Say hi to Memory Builders. There you go.